In this video, I will continue with example 1 and explain how to set up a repeated simulation in Radiant. Please take your time to finish the first video before watching this one. The simulation discussed in last video was used to give us a better understanding of daily total handling time. To develop insight into 5-day total handling time, we could rerun the simulation for 5 times. This can be done easily by using the functionality available in the Repeated tab. First, we will select time and call as variables to resimulate. Then select the variable of interest in the output variable box, that is total time. Next, we need to decide how to summarize the data. If we select simulation in group by, the data will be summarized for each draw in the simulation across 5 repeated simulations, and we will get 5,000 values. If we select repeat in group by, the data will be summarized for each repetition across 5,000 simulations, resulting in 5 values. In this example, we want to determine the sum of simulated daily total handling time across 5 repetitions. So we select simulation in the group by box and sum in the apply function box. We will have a separate video on when we need repeat in the group by box. The number of repetitions is 5 and the repeated data will be saved in RepDat dataset. To determine the probability that the total handling time for 5 days is greater than 4,500 minutes, we enter the formula below into the text input box. So for the question B in example 1, we can see that the probability that 5-day total handling time at ReadyHelp will exceed 4,500 minutes is 16.56%. If show plots is checked, histograms of sum of total time and total time 4,500 are shown under the repeated simulation plots. Some of you may wonder why we don't just create 5 separate total random variables for the total handling time and add them up in the Simulate tab. Yes, you can do it, but what if I want to study the annual total handling time? That strategy doesn't scale. For example, I would like to learn the probability of annual total handling time going over 300,000 minutes. In the Repeat tab, all I need to do is to change the number of reps into 365 and update the formula, and click Repeat Simulation. Within a couple of seconds, I get the result 0.039. So learning the repeat tool is very necessary. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps.